guys, welcome to today's vlog. I literally woke up a little bit ago. I washed my face and now I'm gonna do my skincare. So I want to share with you guys my skincare that I'm currently using. I have so many toner pads, so I'm trying to finish up these. These are from Cell Fusion and they're amazing, but they are cooling pads, so I think they're great for the summer, or also if you have sensitive skin like I do. I think these are amazing. So I like to just put like 2 on my cheeks like this, and then maybe 1 on my forehead, and then I put like a 5-minute timer, and then I let them sit for like 5 minutes. Okay, so the 5 minutes are up. So what I do is I just use this and I put it all over my face and neck. Matching galbi today. And then I've been really loving this Dialba, I don't know how to say it, spray serum. While I'm waiting for my face to dry, I'm going to use the Etude House eyelash serum. I've been using it ever since I got my lash lift, so just to take care of them and hopefully they grow out. This has been my morning and my night routine. I think today is gonna be a no makeup day. I think we'll see, because I have to edit some videos that I need to submit, more like re-edit, because the brand needs me to re-edit something. I have like all my skincare in this Hello Kitty bag. Do this L'Oreal under eye serum. This was sent to me in PR, but I really like it. I never had used under eye serum before. I have so many creams that I need to use, but if not, I would have just bought like another one of these, but I'm trying to use up some creams that I get in pre-R. If not, like, they're always gonna stay there unused. Then I'm gonna go in with the Torrid under eye cream, and I always apply it with my index fingers. Of course, even though I'm staying inside, I always put on some sunscreen. The one I'm using right now is this one. I don't know if it's my favorite one, but it's good enough. I think it's good for the price. Yesterday I drank a coffee really late, so I couldn't fall asleep. It was like 4 in the morning, okay guys, 4 in the morning, and I couldn't fall asleep. That's not good. So I'm never gonna do that again, because I was awake at 4 in the morning. That's crazy. So yeah, and so I woke up late today. I woke up at 10, and I don't like waking up late, guys. Like, I really don't. But I'm gonna be nice to myself and not like make myself feel bad. Actually, today I have a meeting with my agency, and we're gonna talk about like content and like all of that. So I'm excited about that. If you hear water, it's my turtle tank. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna make some coffee. Also, we're gonna make some breakfast. I am Mexican, so I don't know if it's like a Mexican thing. I think it's a Mexican thing. I love huevos con weenies. I have here is takoyaki. I started craving takoyaki so bad because I watched this girl eat it on YouTube and now I want it. I ordered the original and the cheese one. So, ooh. I think this is a cheese one. This is the, or maybe this is a cheese. I don't know.
Really understood that, and like maybe because it's we forgot to get it. How old is this son?
Mama guy, whatever you want to call him. 8 million TikTok followers.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and I'm gonna make some pancakes. A little burnt, but okay. This one's yummy. Okay, guys, I am all ready. I did my makeup, I did my hair, just like little braids, and this is my outfit. I want to show you guys. We're gonna go to a cafe and probably take some cute pictures. And yeah, now vlog for you guys everything. Also, we got some lighting. You know, it really is a blessing having natural lighting because when you don't have it, it's tough. But hopefully now the videos, my TikToks and everything will look really good. Guys, we are in the taxi on the way to this cafe. Actually, this cafe is like not that far for us, but kind of like uphill. So I'm excited. I don't have like high expectations for the food. I think it's mainly like the view and the fall vibes. So, but at least we should have some good coffee. Am I right? I'll show you guys all the vibes. Okay, so we came to this coffee shop and it's really full, which I kind of expected that it was gonna be really full because it's like with the trees and everything. The view is really nice and we were able to get a seat outside. At least we got something.
What thing?
Like a seat.
Yeah.
Yeah. At
I was
least.
expecting there, or the cafe had better review there, right next.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So.
It looks good too.
There, but it seems packed.
I think this place is more for the views, like upstairs.
There
So,
too.
yeah.
Yeah. The whole like open.
Yeah. I literally just searched like cafe and then this popped up. So.
You put the ad here.
No, I just searched. Maybe they did. The photos looked very Photoshopped though. Cafes do that here a lot. They always Photoshop a little too much.
Doesn't look good.
Yeah, it looks fine, but not like the photos. Oh yeah.
Make it less sweet, just one of them.
Oh,
Both
okay.
are vanilla latte. That's sweet too.
It's alright. There are some people in front of us that won't leave. And it's like, so we don't want to hear your conversation. Can we say something? Like, can you take this conversation somewhere else? Yeah, anyways, the coffee's good. No, it's alright. I think it's more like you're paying for the views rather than coffee. But I already knew that coming here. The desserts look really good though. I want to try the dessert, but
The waffle croffle thing.
yeah, it looked yummy. Yeah, okay, now we're just gonna walk a little bit, enjoy the trail. Thankfully, it's like not super cold. I think this is the best time to come and get your fall pictures. Ooh. Oh, there's even like a place to play. Wow. Guys, it's so cool here. I never had been here. Cool. Like a badminton place. Okay, now we are going to go get some dinner. Early dinner, kind of.
Almost 5, right?
Yeah. Is it dinner time?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Not early. Kind of early.
5.
Some people have it. We're at Daiso, guys. One thing about me is I love Daiso. Cute. Finally. Hi guys, it is another day. It's actually Monday and I just washed my face. I'm gonna do my skincare and yeah, I want to share with you guys a little bit of my skincare. Today I have my nail appointment, so I'm very excited to get some new nails. These nails have been on me for 3 weeks now. Usually I wait about 4 weeks, but I honestly want to change them already, and I was hoping that my nails would like be longer by now, but I don't think like this is as long as they're gonna get in 3 weeks. So let's just do my skincare. I'm going to be wearing these lenses today. They're like brown. They're brown and they're really natural, so I really like them, how they look on me. Honestly, I don't know if the serum is doing anything. Really cold, so I put on a sweater. I'm gonna make my coffee and then I'm gonna get ready to film my content, and that way I can also be ready to go get my nails done. But I look kind of crazy, but I'm finishing up my makeup, and I always hate that makeup gets on my lenses. Like, I'm gonna put some bottom mascara. I've been using this lip liner from L'Oreal. I love it. I actually don't even know what it's in, the Cara Natural. And now I feel like I need to always line my lips. Interesting. It's like velvety. I don't know if I should leave it velvety or... This is the braids. I'm gonna just straighten these so it's more, you know, put together. Okay, I just finished filming. Like, I filmed like 3 videos, I would say, so I need to edit those. Yeah, I changed my lenses. These are like a brown, but like they're like called like mint, but they look kind of red, so I kind of like them. What do you guys think about these lenses? They're really cute. I'll show you guys which ones they are. It's these ones. They look more red on me. Use my code Lauren10 for discount. Bye! Yeah, right? Maybe I should do. Actually, I'm fine with 2.
I'll take some cute photos.
Walking in the streets of Seoul.
What's this pavilion? Oh, it's showing the old Cheonggyecheon.
We're at the bookstore.